Alright, my name is Ozzy. I'm a salesman here at Roesch Ford, and today I'm going to teach you how to remove the doors from your brand new Bronco. First thing is first, do get a toolkit. It's going to be in your glove box. From Ford, having all the necessary tools to remove the doors. There's a socket wrench, and you will just need these two things. Now, first thing you got to do is turn on your vehicle and put the window down. After that, you will need to move the rearview mirror, and it's as simple as three things after this. You do have to remove the wiring from the door. You get it right there. And now, you will just need to remove this top one, and then the bottom one as well. And you're all set. It's as simple as that to remove the vehicle's door. Now, it's going to be the same steps for the other three remaining doors as well. Now that we have the door off, storage is just depending on where you want to store the vehicle. Typically, you would have the bags with this as an additional accessory for your Bronco. It is provided through our parts department. And if you do have the doors, they actually will all be able to fit in the back of your Bronco. They'll be able to be strapped down, or you could also put the bags down and have a cushion for any of these doors so nothing gets damaged. Now, to reinstall your door, they do recommend having this pin in the bottom door. You can just screw it right on. Don't screw it too tightly, that way you won't be able to take it off. And that actually is a guide for you to put the door back on. And as soon as you get it right back on into its place, you're going to take that guy off. And as soon as you have it plugged back in, there we go. The window's coming up, functioning perfectly.